Welcome to ESL Class 101, where English is made simple and learning is made fun.
Today, let's talk about the functions of the past continuous and the past simple in a narrative. Read this narrative and observe how these two tenses are used in it. It was a dark and stormy night, and I was reading my favorite mystery novel by candlelight. Suddenly, the power went out, plunging the entire house into darkness. While I was fumbling for my flashlight, the rain was drumming relentlessly on the roof. I hurried to the window and discovered that a large branch had fallen and shattered one of the panes. The unexpected event startled me out of my quiet evening. After calling a repair service, I sat back down as the storm continued raging outside. In this narrative, the past continuous and past simple work together to create a vivid picture of the scene while clearly structuring the sequence of events. The past continuous is used to describe actions that were in progress at a particular time. For example, phrases like, I was reading my favorite mystery novel by candlelight, I was fumbling for my flashlight, and the rain was drumming relentlessly on the roof show ongoing background activities. These descriptions set the atmosphere and let us know what the environment was like before the main events occurred. The past simple is used for actions that occurred quickly and were completed at specific moments. In the narrative, events such as, the power went out, I hurried to the window, discovered that a large branch had fallen, and, the unexpected event startled me, are presented in the past simple. These actions interrupt or punctuate the ongoing background, highlighting precise, finished moments in the story. By combining both tenses, the narrative first paints a detailed backdrop with the past continuous, then uses the past simple to highlight the abrupt events within that backdrop. That's it for today's session. Feel free to watch this video as many times as you need. We'll catch you in the next presentation. Remember, at ESL Class 101, we make English easy and learning enjoyable.